Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 1961 D Lincoln Penny. Okay, first let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 1961D. At the reverse side of the coin, okay, United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. FG, the designer's initial, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1961D Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition or the most valuable in top condition. Okay, here we go. Worn 1961D pennies have a value of about 2 cents each. Uncirculated 1961D pennies are generally worth about 10 cents to 20 cents each, while the most valuable 1961D penny was graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $4,406.25 in a 2014 auction. Wow! $4,406.25 for 1961D penny rated MS67RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. And have a nice day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.